Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reverse a string using snippets in Chrome DevTools. So, what is Chrome DevTools? It's a great little resource for developers to use. I like their snippets feature because it allows you to debug in a pretty easy way. You could use VS Code, but I like Chrome here. Great. So I'm going to show you in the updated version. You need to put everything in between a bracket, but we're going to create a function called reverse a string, and that's going to be given some string. Now we'll do a let's see if it works. Great. So we need a function called reverse a string, and that's going to take in a string. Now I'm going to call something reverse. The easiest way to do this, it's pretty simple. You can use all built-in JavaScript things. First splitting it, then reversing it, then joining it back together. Please look those up on MDN if you don't know what they are, and then you can return reversed. And boom, let's run it. It worked. So that's it. If you want to see a little bit more about this powerful tool, continue watching. So the next thing is I just wanted to show you is we can do, if you want to break it down a little bit more so you can see how it's going, you can do this. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This is going to be reversed. And then we're going to join it. Join it. Reverse is going to equal that, and then reverse will equal that. So now what's cool, is that when we put a little breakpoint here, if it lets me. Come on. Let's just run it. So it worked. There we go. Now you in the watch category, let's go ahead and create and play it. And cool. So what I like about this is now when we're calling it, it shows you what's going on. So reversed is split up into an array. So look at this. And then we can jump to the next section, and it was reversed. And then now we have to join it, and now it's joined. Now we return. So just wanted to show you that, and that's it. Thank you.